I know you were searching for how to prepare okra stew and you came across mine. That is not a mistake because this, oh my goodness, was very simple, easy to put together, but the outcome was amazing. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy and amazing recipes. And today we are making okra stew. Let's start. I have with me here my okra, okay? I've cut them already and I have some chopped onions on it. I'm just going to add some water to it and then we are going to cook this very well. My returning subscribers, you are amazing and thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I'm so grateful. So with this okra stew, we just want it slimy, okay? The okra has been on fire for some time and this is how it looks, very slimy and delicious. I added some momoni, that is salted fermented fish to it, okay, for flavor. If you want the okra slimy, you can just go ahead and add your akanwa or add your baking soda to it. I prefer adding baking soda to it if the person requests for a very slimy one or slimy okra, okay? Do it the way you want, but today I am sharing how I prepare mine with you, and trust me, you will fall in love. Let's leave the okra on fire whilst we have our palm oil here. I am using Jomi, okay? So we are just going to heat up and then we will add the next ingredient. As I'm talking to you right now, I'm blending my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then tomatoes, fresh ones, okay? We are blending it very well and they are ready, so I'm just going to add it straight to the oil. Should you want to add some onions to the oil before you add all these ingredients, you are free to do so. You can do it, okay? But my oil does not smell and it has good flavor. Okay, so I've added that to it and we are just going to wait for it to fry very well or cook very well before we proceed. If you've watched me till this point, oh my goodness, thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful and thank you. Okay, I'll be very happy if you leave me your comments in the comment section. Like the video for me, share the videos to others, and also let me know how you prepare your okra stew at home so I can also learn from you. At this moment, I'm just going to cover the pot for the stew to fry very well. Okay, as you can see, it is about to be messy in the kitchen. So I will cover it and wait for the stew to fry as I said earlier. So after some few minutes, this is how the stew is looking like, well fried, and I'm just going to give it a stir and then we proceed. At this moment, I've added my cow skin and I'll go ahead and then add my tuna, my pepper to it. There are some people, they do not like pepper, okay? So I just drop the pepper in there. If you want to mash it when you are eating, you can just go ahead and do so. But I just want to tell you that I have my tuna cow skin in there and I have my crab, which I am cooking behind camera. I will be adding to the stew very soon. We are just going to add some salt, any seasoning that you want to use, you can go ahead and do so. But I am just going to wait for the salt because the crab is well seasoned and I do not want to let the food to be very salty, okay? I tasted for salt and it was okay. I've added the crab. Now I'm just adding my okra, give it the stir, and then we continue. As you can see, it looks very slimy. We did not waste time, and the stew already looks very delicious. Try this recipe, you will love it and you will fall in love with it. I hope this video is helpful, and you are also going to share your helpful stew recipe in the comment section with me. We are on all social media platforms, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. Now the stew is ready, and just look at that. Pair this with your eba, kinky, banku, or anything swallow, and trust me, you will love it. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I do care about you. Yes, I forgot to tell you that I added some mackerel as well. So just use any protein of your choice and you are good to go. I'll see you in the next video, and trust me, you can't afford to miss it because it is going to be amazing. See you in the next upload. Bye bye.